ng ini-import na produkto.
The other side of that is an increased importation from the United States for soy products, meat products, and pharma, actually, medicines, para makamura naman yung maging mas mura yung gamit natin. When you put it in real terms, it is a significant achievement.
Tinawag din ni Trump ang Pangulo na very good and tough negotiator. Pinalaki rin sa meeting ang defense and security.
He was very inquisitive about the situation in our country. What are the threats that we have to worry about, and how are the other countries around ASEAN, Asia Pacific reacting to what's going on in West Philippine Sea, including the status of the different militaries around the area. We covered a great deal of ground.
Tinanong ng media si Marcos kung paano niya babalansehin ang ugnayan niya sa Amerika at China.
There is no need, in a sense, to balance, as you characterize as to balance our relationship between the United States and China. Simply because our foreign policy is independent, and we are essentially concerned with the defense of our territory and the exercise of our sovereign rights. And I don't mind if he gets along with China, because we're because I think he has to do what's right for his country. And he said, make the Philippines ready and do whatever you need to do.
Kaugnay naman sa planong magtayo ng pasilidad para